Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Woburn Toyota, we have the 2019 Lexus LS500h. So this is the hybrid version of the LS. This thing is sweet. I mean, just look at how pretty this thing is. Powered by the 3.5 liter V6, made it to, of course, the hybrid system. This thing flies. Here's the crazy part. 2019, 8,800 miles. So it is on, into reverse, drive, a couple different drive modes. You have comfort, eco, normal, sport, sport plus, sport S sharp. Well, let's do sport S sharp. S plus, so sport plus. Let's just say sport plus. Oh, the suspension's magnificent in this thing. I will say this is probably one of the more comfortable cars I've driven, and yes, I've driven a Rolls Royce. It's just how comfortable and relaxed this vehicle is, especially in hybrid form. Just comfortable. Got my ventilated seats on. Just relaxing. Steering's good. Really good. Mechanical grip is there. And now we're in traffic. So right now we're on radar cruise. I'm gonna set it to 1 car length. Shut it off. Well, at least that works. That's pretty cool. It moves. Definitely got some power behind it. want to see what it's like in comfort, because I'm assuming it has some sort of adjustable ride. Not mag ride, then whatever. I want to see the suspension over these few coming bumps. See what it's like. No, I don't think it's any... Nope, I don't think it's any different. I think those drive modes are 100% powertrain related. I do love the 3.5 liter V6. It is a sweetheart of a motor. Sounds awesome, has a ton of pull, especially once you add some electric motors in there. This thing moves. I think they offered the V8 in the normal one of these. If it's just a normal 6, but V8 in one of these, that'd be pretty cool. Let's see. Full EV mode? Let's see if it does it. Alcantara headliner, sun visor, everything. So once you give it a lot of power, it will deactivate. I see. Gotta be smooth with it. What a comfortable car. This is great. Is this all soft touch? Yes. That's all soft touch. This is soft touch. That's wood trim. That's felt in there. Will it go on its own? That's pretty cool. Well, because of the traffic, I'll cut this video here. Don't want it going too long. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.